Okay, so welcome back, and today we're going to do a couple of examples of using your calculator. Okay, so here we have 3/4 times 5/6. So I'm going to show you how to put this in your calculator. So I'm going to just put in parentheses. So the open parenthesis 3, and then divided by 4, end parenthesis, and then another open parenthesis. And I'm going to do 5 divided by 6, end parenthesis. And so this is what I have on the calculator. Okay, so now I'm just going to hit enter, and that's the decimal I get. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to math. Again, I have a different calculator, so you should still have the same sort of thing, but I'm going to do math. And then I get the menu, and the very first one is the frac. So I'm going to choose the frac. And now I'm going to see it takes the answer, and I'm going to make it into a fraction. The arrow says I'm going to make it into a fraction, and I'm going to hit enter. And I get 5/8. Okay? And that's how you do that one. So the answer to this one is 5/8. Now this one, I'm going to do the same sort of thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in parentheses. So I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to put the whole bottom and top in parentheses. So this is what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to put this all in parentheses and then this in parentheses. Okay? Or actually, you don't even need these. Okay? But I'm going to put this whole top in parentheses. So I'm going to do parentheses and then 7 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 4. Divided by So this is what I put in my calculator. Now the numerator, see how, oops, hold on, let me get, okay, so here at the very beginning I have 7/8 plus 1/7 in parentheses. Okay, so that's the numerator. And then here's my division, right? And then now here's the denominator. I put the denominator in parentheses as well. Notice how I split up the mixed number as the whole number plus the fraction, because that's what it means. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit enter, and now I'm going to change this to a fraction and see what I get. So again, I'm going to go to math. So I'm going to hit the math key, and then I'm going to choose the first one for frac, and then I'm going to hit enter, and it gives me what? 57/196, right? 57 over 196. Okay? And so that's how you do it in the calculator. Now let's see. Okay, so now I don't think it gave me the reduced fraction. So for this one here, it gave me 57 over 196. Let me see if hold on one second, is that right? 57. Something's not right. Did I write down the problem wrong? I think I wrote down the problem. 7, 8, and 1, 4, 7, 8, plus 1, 4, 3.5. No, that's right. Let me do this again. Let me do this again. No. Okay, so something went wrong. Okay, so I got a different answer. Hold on, let's do this again. So 7 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 4 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Oh, I must have put something in wrong. Okay, let me do that again. I'm sorry, I must have entered it in the calculator wrong. I didn't see it. Oops. So let me do that one more time. 7 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 4, all in parentheses, divided by, parentheses, 7 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so let's do that one more time. So I think I got it. So again, I have 7/8. So at the top I have in parentheses, I have 7 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 4. So that's 7/8 plus 1/4 in parentheses. And then I have the division sign right here, and then, or let me use the cursor. And then underneath for the denominator I have 3 plus 1/2, all in parentheses. And so if I divide those two, I get this answer. Okay, so that's different than what I got before. Now if I go to math, oops, oh, wrong one. If I go to math and I select fraction, there we go. Now I get 9/28. That's the correct answer. Okay, I think I entered the number wrong. Okay, but that's how you use the calculator, so this is not correct. It was 9/28. If you go back to the video, I bet you find that I entered something incorrectly. That's it. Have a great day.